Well, hello, I'm back again, and I got a headlight here. Actually, somebody brought it in. On camera, this headlight I can see doesn't look that bad. This thing is actually quite yellowed. If I can get her sideways here so you can see, it's pretty yellowed up. And I got a product here. I got, it's a Rayhong headlight restoration kit. No tools required, and it is, I'm going to say this is probably not a great kit, but let's take a look here. It is, I don't even know. It doesn't even say from what country this comes from. So, manufacturer is Shanto Cross Border Premium Products E-Commerce Company Limited. Shanto. Where is Shanto? Address of manufacturer is in Shanto. Shantou? Is that Chinese or Japanese? I really don't know. I think I'm going to look that up. I'm going to look that up right now. So, let me do some editing here. Blip, 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 blip. So, I looked it up. Google Maps. Can't see, we can see that there's Shantou there in the corner, that whole district there. So I think this is China area. Yes it is. It's China. So Shantou, China. I think it's in the Chino district, but hey, what do I know? But of course, that is where this comes from, because this is, I don't think this is going to work out too well. But I'm going to do it. I've got one of these things, and it's got a bunch of sanding discs, and they gave me a crap load of headlight repair kit ceramic clear coat for the headlights after I'm done sanding them. So, but these discs, they really do feel a little too rough. I think oh, this one's really rough. So, I think I'm going to get to scrubbing it, and we're going to see how well this goes. This may not go as well as I would like. So, I got a feeling these discs don't fit this. This thing is really nice, though. It's really spongy. Wow, it's made very well. But I think I'm going to have to spray the headlight first. Spray her down. Give her some juice, and I guess just start giving her a little sand. I don't think this is gonna work. This feels wrong. Wow. And I'm only gonna do the top half of the headlight, like the top half here. It just feels wrong. And I'm never using this headlight again, but I got a feeling something is happening here. I guess it's sanding off all of that yellow. At least I hope it is. Well, I'm not supposed to do circular motion. Actually, it didn't even tell you and no instructions with this kit. I don't know how much this kit was as sent to me by a friend, and she said, "Here, give it a try." So, she needs some more wetness on here. There we go. More wetness. I don't know how much I'm supposed to sand because there's no instructions that come with this kit. You kind of just do it until it feels right, I guess. I really don't feel like this is right at all. So, I'm a little scared on this one, how this is going to look. Well, how'd that turn out? Well, let's get a good look at her. It's hard. It's not really showing up. but it has, along here, really scraped off a lot of the yellow on here. So I think, you know, it's working out fine enough, I guess. You can still see the yellow down here where I haven't touched it. But, oh, this is a Ford headlight. Wonder what it's to. Probably a Ford F-150. But here, it's really rough, though, now. Like, wow. It's scary rough. But, I got the lighter one on here now, so we're going to give her a go with that one and see how well that works. I'm hoping it works out fine, but you never know. I hate the way this thing is working. It's kind of scary. Still feels terrible, by the way. Still feels absolutely terrible. I'm kind of wishing this wasn't as gritty a sandpaper as I'm using, but I'm glad I'm not putting these in anything. I would never do this to a headlight that I was going to put back in a vehicle with this kit. This kit scares me, actually, so this is a scary kit. I'm going to give her some more sanding, but it needs some more wetness. The sanding disc is getting kind of, it's still got some to it. What can I say? I think you can buy this kit off of Walmart Market or online Walmart. I think that's where my friend got it. She didn't want to use it, so she sent it to me. Yeah, she was like, yeah, I don't want to use that. So, I get it. I get to check it out. This thing would be a lot better if this headlight didn't have the nubs on it. The old style of how to aim a headlight. So, let's give her a wipe here. Give her another spray. So there. And take another look at her. Those packets of that clear coat are really going to have to be amazing to fix this. Well, it's not terrible. It is smoother. As you can see, it's pretty dull compared to the spots here I never touched. So it has taken out a lot of the yellow in the headlight, but that packet's really going to have to work hard to make it look new. What if this packet makes this look new and I didn't even have to sand it? That would be something. I don't think I'll ever use this kit again. Yeah, unless these packets work out. I can save those for other projects. Alright. I'm going to let her fully dry, and then we're going to come back and put on the Headlights Repair Kit Ceramic Clear Coat. So, she's fully dry now. Been about 10 minutes. It's been drying. Looks good. We got the packet. I put a glove on for this. I don't want to touch this stuff. I don't know what it's made of. So, I don't know if Rayhong here has stringent guidelines on how good this stuff is for the skin, but I'm not taking a chance. So, as far as I know, we just wipe her on, because there's no instructions to tell me otherwise. And just wipe her on and let her do its job. At least that's what I'm hoping. Well, this kit, I believe, is a disaster. It is. That wipe didn't do much. All of these, ceramic clear coat. I'm telling you right now, these do absolutely nothing. And they pretty well just clean it, and they do absolutely nothing. I think they're junk. I don't think this stuff... It just smells like a cleaning fluid on these. Like, and there you go. Makes it look nice until it dries a bit. It does nothing. This is still rough. Still terrible. It did nothing. This has got to be the worst product I think I've ever done. This is I can't say it's a disappointment because I didn't expect it to do anything, but this is definitely a disaster. This thing is junk. If you see it out there, don't waste your money on it. This is just impossible to... I'm glad I used it on a junk headlight that was going in. It's junk. This thing is junk. So, not more to say about this. Don't buy it. It's just there to make you waste your money. Thanks for watching.